What is going on, you guys? It's your girl Danny Cash of the KASH Empire. Thanks for coming to watch my video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you my 72-hour update on Second Splash. I'm going to be showing you exactly what I've been able to do in 72 hours. I'm also going to be showing you how to create your very first splash page on the platform. But before I get into those details, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you have any questions or comments while watching this video, just drop them down below and I will get to them as soon as possible. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to log into my back office here and show you my results. Alright, so this is the dashboard of the platform, okay? And you can see everything immediately when you log in. You can see exactly how many signups you have, your commissions, and all of your splash pages and your statistics, okay? So I've been a member for 72 hours. I've been able to get 56 signups as well as $42 in commissions. Not too shabby. And I have also created 5 splash pages, okay? So just getting started, those are great numbers just to be coming into a platform. And I have to show my signups exactly how to work the system. But once you get into the system, the very first thing that I realized that you need to be doing is creating splash pages. And why do I say this? Because as soon as you get those splash pages created and you start referring others and you start generating traffic, you're going to see your views just coming in just automatically, okay? Autopilot traffic at its finest. And this platform actually reminds me of 2 platforms combined. It reminds me of Easy Cash for Ads and So Many Hits combined, okay? So it's like the best of both of those websites all in one. So when you get in, as you can see, in 72 hours, my very first splash has 2,008 views and 31 clicks, okay? So I have been generating leads from using this platform, and I just created these 2 today. I might have created this one today too. I can't remember if it was today or last night, but these are my 3 most recent, and as you can see, they're already generating views as well, okay? So to create a splash page, you're just going to click on add a new splash campaign. Alright, and from here, they have different images that you can use. Now, you can use any of the images they have by just clicking on one of these. So I'm just going to go to lights. Let's see what they have here in lights. Okay. So I do like, I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to click preview. Alright, and this lets you see what it looks like. So I'm just going to exit out of that, and I'm just going to use that one. Use image. Okay. So as you can see up here, you're able to put text over it. Now, when you become a pro member, you could add a lot more features to your splash page. You can add buttons. You can add just a lot of different. I have the pro monthly, but when you get the pro yearly or the pro lifetime, you get a ton of more fonts and stickers and just buttons, all of that to put on your splash. Okay, so right here I'm just gonna put, take a look at this brand new opportunity. Okay, so matter of fact, I'm going to take that out. The secret is out. I'm going to put that first. Okay, so as you can see, it's up there. Now, what you can do, I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. I'm going to zoom out so you can see. You can move this text over. So what I like to do is I like to take the left all the way to the left and all the way to the right. And then you can move the top down, and then if you want to center it, you just move the left over and that will center it. Okay, so wherever you want this text, it's all about first moving the left to the left, moving the right all the way to the right, and then you can move it from the left over like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the secret is out right here, and then if you wanted to choose a font, I could do that font. Okay. And then if you wanted to change the text color, just click on this little box here, change the color, click OK. All right. And if you wanted to change the stroke color, say for instance, I wanted to change it to like red, it would put red behind it. Okay. And then if I wanted to center it, I could just click center. And then of course I would have to move the left over again. Okay. So if I put center, it's going to center it directly into the middle of the photo. Okay. So once I've gotten that first text done, just click save step 2. And it's going to take me to the next one. So that's where I want to put this text. I'm just going to paste that in there. And then take a look at this brand new opportunity. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to change the font to that. I'm going to center it. Okay, move this to the left, move that all the way to the right. Then I want to take that up a bit and place it directly under that one. Now, if I did have stickers and I had all the other amazing things that you can use on this platform, it would allow me to, it would be showing here, the stickers and everything else. But I don't have those yet. I plan to upgrade to the lifetime, but I just don't have it yet. So I'm going to click save step 3. All right, so now you can enter a name for your campaign. I'm going to just call this one MVU 5. Okay, and then for this on social media, I'm just going to say get paid 5 different ways. And then click here for a brand new income opportunity. Okay. And then you put the URL that you want people to go to in this slot here. Now, since this is a splash page, I suggest putting an opt-in page here. So when they click there, it's going to take them to a page for them to enter their name and email. That way you are generating leads, okay, for your business. So I'm going to put my opt-in page there and then click Save Splash Campaign. All right, and this is the link to this splash campaign. So I would just click on copy link and it automatically copies for you. And I'm just going to paste that into a new browser to show you guys what it looks like. All right, so when I promote this link, this is one of my sponsors ads and this is my ad on this side. Okay, so every time I promote this link, it's going to show my sponsors as well as mine. So I'm generating traffic for my sponsor and then I'm generating traffic for myself. So the great thing about this is that I can also generate traffic for my downline. So all of my downline members here, I can help them get signups. So I'm just going to go over here to advertising and I'm going to go down here to your affiliate links. And right here, there are a bunch of different affiliate links that you can use, okay? But the one that helps your downline is your Help My Downline member affiliate link. If I put my sponsor helps me get referrals on any of my links, that is going to turn my link into a splash page for me, my sponsor, and my downline, okay? So I'm just going to paste that in there. All right, so anytime someone decides to click here and join, it's going to not only get me signups, but my downline signups as well. So as long as I add this tag, my sponsor helps me get referrals to any of my links in my, system to promote. It's going to also get signups for my downline. So that is super. That is something for leaders, people that like to get a lot of signups. If you are able to generate a lot of signups, or if you just want to help your downline generate signups, it's not a bad thing. I know you might be thinking, well, why would I want to help them get signups? Well, that's not a bad thing because remember, this is a 2-up program, okay? And what 2-up means is that when you get your first 2 signups, those signups are passed up to your sponsor, okay? So when I got my first 2 signups, I had to pass those first 2 up to my sponsor, and now I have 56. All of the rest of the people that join with me are going directly under me. So when you use this link, even though you're helping your downline, their first 2 come to you anyway. So it's not a lose. It's actually a win-win for every single person in the platform. So those are my stats so far. I don't want to keep this video too long, but so far so good. I've got 56 signups. I'm earning commissions, and once you get into the platform and you get your splash pages created, I highly suggest that you upgrade to Pro membership. That way you can get 50% commissions instead of 25% commissions. That extra 25% matters. It counts, okay? So yeah, that is it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Another great thing I forgot to mention, when you are creating a splash page, you also have the option to upload an image as well. And that's what I did for a lot of my splash pages, like this one. My first 5, these first ones were uploaded. So if you have a platform that provides images for you, like banners that you can advertise, just save the banner to your computer, and then when you go add a new splash page, you can simply browse your computer and upload that image. And if you wanted to add to it, you could. If you didn't, you didn't have to, but you could use pre-made banners as well. Another little helpful tip for those who really aren't that great with creating banners, you can also use Canva. Canva has plenty of banners that are pre-made, and all you have to do is go in and change the font. I mean, not change the font, but change the text, change the image, change it to how you want it, download it, and then you could upload that as well. All right, so that is it, you guys. I'm going to keep you guys updated on my progress with Second Splash. And for my team, if you decide to join with me, the link is under this video. I am creating a team site to show people how to generate the best way to generate traffic and to also generate signups and get paid with the platform. Okay, so I will be creating private team only training for people that join with me, and I will be using my help my signups, help my downline links. Okay, so I will be helping my signups get signups as well, because when I help them get signups, that's going to encourage them to go out and promote their link as well, driving more traffic to me, driving more signups to me, as well as helping them get paid and get signups in as well. Okay, so that is it. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.